I sent a set of mines on the team to fix the tube, and they got stuck. That's it! Hydraulic supply restored!
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz. Almost there. Here's the drill, get our phase quartz, repair the dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bolts. We're not done yet. Hey, look! The Bro Squad is back.
I cannot help thinking,
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blazar.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension.
I cannot help thinking,
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blazar.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
I cannot help thinking,
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blazar.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
I cannot help thinking,
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blazar.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
I cannot help thinking,
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blazar.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
Our start space. We got... Okay, lockdown. Yep.
I cannot help thinking,
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blazar.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
Right or wrong, but does anyone listen to me? No!
Warn? About what?
We are fast approaching the main drill.
Wow! It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really? That is very specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Lombax robot, brilliant news! I decoded the message from beyond. Listen! Finally, good reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rifts damaged it. The drill destroyed our Blazar.
What? We just turned it on!
Take cover! Lockdown engaged! I can try a remote shutdown. Boy, a bad cheese!
Stupid freaking drill!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
I've had a change of heart.
Our network keeps faltering. I should have upgraded a faster service.
Phase quartz suspended in the drill bead.
I'll knock it out with my hammer.
Please be careful.
Yes! Oh, you guys.
We must return to the other dimension quickly.
Hey, lay off!
to update the tools 4.331. If a sweet death and have a blazing blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. It's big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally, I'd say that's against protocol. to... Down the drill. I forgot to update the tools 4.331. Prepare for sweet death and have a blazing blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. Big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally, I'd say that's against protocol, but this is a pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
Hello, it is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
Update the tools 4.331. Prepare for sweet death and have a blazing blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. It's big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally, I'd say that's against protocol, but this is a pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
Hello, it is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
Rivet! Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
I can't believe we saved Blizzard. How about we fix up this phase quartz and save... The Fixer better be ready to fix some phase quartz. Let's do this!
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase quartz repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too. The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or
The bridge seems to be out of commission.
bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
The Glove of Doom is now available. Need I say more?
Who's so cute? The Drill Hound, our finest breed of weapon. Pull the fire trigger halfway to lock this burrowing, adorable rocket.
Go ahead, Shug. That is
The ricochet. Pull the fire trigger to shoot it at your useless enemy. Oh my! And then it will pop back up next to them.
go.
Say, is that thunder I hear? Rain? No, it's the lightning rod. Finish them to send the lightning toward their troublesome teeth.
Get ready to dig your way to victory, Sugar. You will be missed, sweet thing.
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoth means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoth minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will.
farther ahead. Lucky you.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will. Chunk incoming! Broken rail ahead! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. Ah! Smooth. There's a rift.
They keep coming.
Here comes a jump.
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on. It goes straight to the smelting pits.
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Piece of cake. Oh no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come! Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done!
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite Rivet.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys! Attack!
Oh, dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
You can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea. Ah, shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative. Ah!
Plundering and scalawaggery!
Fire and grab us.
The smell of junk be stinging me nose! But stinky treasure still be treasure!
I adore the way you fight, Rivet, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last he broke!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his absence, however.
Grab anything that shines, twinkles, glimmers, and shimmers! Grab it all!
Oh, dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea. Ah, shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
Just try and flee!
but you should have seen the Fixer. Such power! For the last evoke!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the Fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his absence, however.
What a howl, Lombax!
What the hell? You're wasting ammo!
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot down. We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the Fixer. My spine!
Tis a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
If Molinoth is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
They're better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet.
The Lombax give her no quarter! So she be fixing to meet the same fate as a Fixer? We be happy to oblige!
So tenacious! Je t'adore! Our looting was so boring until you arrived! So merci for livening things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
No quarter, Dave!
Leave another cool scar.
Je t'adore! was so boring until you arrived! So merci for livening things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
Find cover, matey!
How many pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off.
So tenacious! Je t'adore! Our looting was so boring until you arrived! So merci for livening things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
How many pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off. Gotta be more careful. Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying, Rivet! Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story! Hello, everyone!
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
There'll be no flank for you.
We're wearing him down.
Of my ideas! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be the expenses?
Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted. Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again. Gotta admit, the Fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience, big robots, but almost there.
Max! The air says they be fixing to fix the fixer! Go fix them a quick death! You're gonna pay for making us scuttle our own ship! Cut them down, matey! The Lombax is getting too close to the fixer!
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like I could flank them from the sides, too.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting.
I should have known!
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like I could flank them from the sides, too.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself.
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy! For it is a fool's errand to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go home without my greatest foe?
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
Find cover, matey!
Lucky shot.
It'd be a nice day.
Need to try something else.
You and your adorable sassy backpack then! No chance!
Sassy.
Swap the deck with you!
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those ribs.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself.
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy! For it is a fool's errand to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go home without my greatest foe?
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
Stop them from reaching the fixer, or are plundering me over! You and your adorable sassy backpack then! No chance!
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Do not lump me into the failure! I am merely the face of the operation!
You're about to make me day!
on the sides, too!
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre! I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy! For it is a fool trying to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening!
How will I go on without my greatest foe?
Good thing you'll never have to find out! You're blocking my shots!
I've got you in my sight!
Stop them from reaching the fixer, or are plundering me over!
You and your adorable sassy backpacks then! No chance!
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this!
Do not lump me into the failure! I am merely the face of the operation!
Payback's coming!
Keep your distance! Execute this dirty dog!
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
The fixer be done for, and so shall ye!
Can't stop now! Not when we're this close to the fixer!
We'll be swabbing ye off the deck soon! I be honored to blast ye myself! Your scraggling neck will pester Pierre no more! Nice shot! But you'll regret it! Your tail will be a fine swab for our gang!
Attempt to avoid injury going forward.
No further! The air will give me a big bloomin' hat for this!
Spine of a giant!
The fixer be done for, and so shall ye! Won't do ye any good! I be honored to blast ye myself! Your scraggling neck will pester Pierre no more!
Enough yet?
Is that all ye got?
You'll be walking the...
I'm empty! Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
One shot, but you'll regret it! I be honored to blaspheme myself! Your scraggly neck will pester the air no more!
Careful.
Your tail will be a fine swab for our decks! Evil attempt!
Can't stand these shields.
The air will give me a big bloomin' hat for this!
Enough yet?
Never!
Leave another cool scar?
Don't get cocky, Jill Rat!
What if the phase quartz cannot be fixed?
We're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
I am both frustrated and excited! Run up the colors and signal the others! We must stop them before they reach the picture!
Ah!
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Huh. This must be the fixer's on switch. Hello? Are you, okay?
No, I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh my!
Nothing!
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead!
Fixing is a vain and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
Do you see the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Oh, do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
Mine's collapsed. Great.
Men is to enlighten. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no wisdom.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall!
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Vullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this? Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
I thank you, Rivet.
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. You think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion Farabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes!
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We'd better keep moving. Let's hope Ratchet finds that prophet soon.
how to build a dimensionator, where would I be?